The next thing we need to do to remove the mag flange is just remove these 3 nuts. And now to pull the mag flange, there are a couple different ways to do that. There is where you just thread in a couple of bolts or your T-bars and put pressure on it and hopefully it comes up. I have this really fancy tool that I bought from John at Jet 200, probably made in India or somewhere, but it works on all series engines and also on LDs. So it's coming real handy for me in saving mag flanges and making sure that I don't crack them when I pull them apart. So to use this, I just drop that in place and then I thread a couple of screws in there. And now that that is there, we can go ahead and tension it up. And same thing with any puller that you use. You know, you want to go ahead and get it threaded. And then once you get it start tension up, if it's not coming off, you can go ahead and tap on it. This one is coming off basically by hand. And then we have our mag flange off.